Dear children, today we will study some numericals from the earth magnetism. Question number 1. The horizontal and vertical components of Earth's field at a place are 0.22 Gauss and 0.38 Gauss respectively. Calculate the angle of dip and resultant intensity of Earth's field. So in the last class, you studied about the relation between horizontal component, vertical component and the angle of dip of the earth magnetism. Okay, that we can apply here. So here the horizontal and vertical components are given. So what is the horizontal component from the question? That is BH. Okay, BH equal to 0.22 Gauss. Similarly, the vertical component, that is BV equal to 0.38 Gauss. Then we can find out the angle of dip. What is the relation angle of dip and the BH and the BV? That is tan I equal to BV divided by BH. So that is equal to 0.38 divided by 0.22. So you will get the answer tan I equal to 1.7272. Then you can find out the angle of dip I equal to tan inverse of 1.7272. So the answer is 59 degree 56 minute. Okay, that is the angle of dip. Then what is the second part? What is the resultant intensity of the Earth's field? So we can write resultant intensity of the Earth's magnetic field. Okay, resultant intensity of Earth's magnetic field. So what is the formula for the resultant intensity? That is the B. Okay, B equal to root of BH square plus BV square. Then we can substitute all the values 0.22 square plus 0.38 square, that is root of. So you will get the answer 0.427 Gauss. Understand? So we want to study the relation between tan I, BV, BH, etc. Clear? Second question. If the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field at a place where the angle of dip is 60 degree is 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla, calculate the vertical component and the resultant magnetic field at that place. So from the question we can write angle of dip I equal to 60 degree. Then horizontal component BH equal to 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. Then you want to find out the vertical component from the relation tan I equal to BV by BH. That is BV equal to BH tan I. Okay, BH tan I. So what is the BH? 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 into tan 60. So tan 60 root 3. After substituting the values, tan 60, that is root 3, by substituting the values you will get the answer 0.69 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. So this is the vertical component. Then what is the second part? Resultant magnetic field at that place. So we can use the formula B equal to BH divided by cos I. So this relation also you studied in the theory part. Then we can substitute 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by cos 60. Cos 60 1 by 2. Then after substituting the values you will get the answer 0.2 into 10 raised to minus 4 Tesla. Clear? Question number 3. A magnetic needle free to rotate in a vertical plane parallel to magnetic meridian has its north tip down at 60 degree with the horizontal. The horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field at a place is known to be 0.4 Gauss. Determine the magnitude of the Earth's magnetic field at that place. So, a magnetic needle is free to rotate in a vertical plane parallel to the magnetic meridian, has its north tip down at 60 degree with the horizontal, and the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field is given, that is given as BH. Okay, BH equal to 0.4 Gauss, 0.4 Gauss, that is the BH. Then angle of dip is also given, that is I equal to 60 degree. So, you want to find out the magnitude of the Earth's magnetic field at that place. So, you know the formula, that is BH equal to, okay, BH equal to B cos I. So, that is the formula, okay, B cos I. So, you want to find out the magnitude of Earth's magnetic field, that is the B equal to BH divided by cos I. So, what is the BH? That is the 0.4 divided by cos 60. Okay, cos 60. So, cos 60, that is the 1 by 2. So, you will get the answer B equal to 0.8 Gauss. Clear? Question number 4. The horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field at a place is 1 by root 3 times its vertical component there. Find the value of the angle of dip at that place. What is the ratio of the horizontal component to the total magnetic field of the Earth at that place? So, from the question, you know that the horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field is 1 by root 3 times the vertical component. So, we can write horizontal component BH equal to 1 by root 3 BV. Okay, vertical component. Then, you know the relation between angle of dip, then BV and BH, that is tan I equal to BV by BH, that is equal to BV divided by, what is BH? 1 by root 3 BV. So, BV and BV will cancel. So, we can write tan I equal to root 3, 1 by root 3, that is root 3 comes to the numerator. So, we can write root 3. Therefore, I equal to, okay, I equal to tan inverse of root 3. So, angle of dip, that is equal to 60 degree. Clear? So, that is the angle of dip. Then, what is the next part? What is the ratio of horizontal component to the total magnetic field of the Earth at that place? So, you know the equation, that is the BH, okay, BH by B, that is equal to cos I. So, what is cos I? That is the 60. So, we can write BH by B equal to cos 60. Therefore, BH by B. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. So, its ratio is 1:2. Clear? The ratio of horizontal component of the Earth's magnetic field to the total magnetic field is equal to 1:2. Clear?